a a a a
at, ant, as, apple, after, fact, man, stamp, hand, have, laugh, track, mat, catch, began, mat, meet, sad, said, man, men, fat, fit, ban, bun, bag, beg, lad, lead, pan, pen, pat, pot, lack, leak, leak. Have you seen the pan? Have you seen the pan? Our dog is called Matt. Our dog is called Matt. This bat is very big. This bat is very big. She owns a black hut. She owns a black hut. He slept on the bunk. He slept on the bunk. The man went home. The man went home. He looks rather fit. He looks rather fit. Have you seen the gem? Have you seen the gem? They gave the priest a ham. They gave the priest a ham. All the children laughed. All the children laughed. She is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. This is for Andy. This is for Andy. When will Alice call? When will Alice call? The backpack is red. The backpack is red. Janice has a black jacket. Janice has a black jacket. The class answered 20 questions. The class answered 20 questions. That was a good answer. That was a good answer. We all laughed at the joke. We all laughed at the joke. This afternoon we had a test. This afternoon we had a test. Is Anne a good dancer? Is Anne a good dancer? I'm sad. I'm sad. I can run fast. I can run fast. Thank you for standing up. Thank you for standing up. We have a fat black cat. We have a fat black cat. My grandmother and grandfather love to laugh. My grandmother and grandfather love to laugh. Our apartment is across from the bank on 10th Avenue. Our apartment is across from the bank on 10th Avenue. The accident happened in January, in the afternoon. The accident happened in January, in the afternoon. Last Saturday, when my aunt sat on her hat, it went flat. Last Saturday, when my aunt sat on her hat, it went flat. That man has a cabbage salad, a lamb sandwich, and an apple. That man has a cabbage salad, a lamb sandwich, and an apple. My family plans to travel to Canada, France, Japan, and Vietnam. My family plans to travel to Canada, France, Japan, and Vietnam. My back hurts. My back hurts. Put the mat in the bathtub. Put the mat in the bathtub. The band lacked talent. The band lacked talent. It's a fact that math is hard to do. It's a fact that math is hard to do. The man lost his glasses in the sand. The man lost his glasses in the sand.
Please pass the gas tank carefully. Please pass the gas tank carefully.
Sandy and Dan danced and laughed all night. Sandy and Dan danced and laughed all night. Can you grab my knapsack strap? Can you grab my knapsack strap? I can pack your jam in a plastic bag. I can pack your jam in a plastic bag. On Saturday, the man with the plaid pants ran very fast. On Saturday, the man with the plaid pants ran very fast.